Howdy y'all. This is my AI drive-thru lane-in-a-box kit from Lanefix. It includes absolutely everything I need to set up my own AI drive-thru in just about 15 minutes. If you don't already have yours, use the link on the screen for just a limited time. They're only $1. It won't last long, so make sure to get yours. Let's go ahead and cut it open. First, we'll go ahead and pull out our receipt printer. I've already unwrapped it. Don't worry, it doesn't come like this. I've already taken out the power cables and the Ethernet cables also and got them ready for this video. First step for any of these receipt printers, if you don't already have one, is you open the bottom. Just take your Ethernet cable, plug it in to the port on the bottom left. We'll grab our power cable with the arrow on the bottom. Then tuck your cables away like so and close it up. Next, we'll turn our printer on by hitting the power button. Wait just about a moment here, and a receipt will come out with the IP address for the printer. In the meantime, we'll go ahead and get our tablet out. We've got our tablet here. You've got your receipt with your IP address. You'll want to hold on to that, save that for later. We're going to need that in just a moment. Perfect. Now we'll go ahead and take our tablet. Go ahead and just hold the power button in the top right. It'll go ahead and turn on. And while that's turning on, we'll go ahead and unbox our stand. Now to get the stand set up, it's very simple. All you're gonna do is stand this up, rotate that all the way to the right, tighten it up, while pulling this up a little bit. Go ahead and drop your stand to the floor while holding onto the top. It will extend out. It's exactly as tall as you'd like. Next thing you want to do, there are these buttons. Go ahead and click these buttons on opposite sides on the top and bottom of this mount, and that will allow you to slide this out and mount your tablet. Now that our floor stand's set up and ready, our receipt printer set up and ready, and our tablet is turned on, once your tablet's on Wi-Fi, you can go ahead and hit the Lanefix app. Sign in with the credentials that I sent you in your introduction email. Once you're logged in on the Lanefix app, you'll want to go ahead and go over to the settings page where you'll want to go ahead and enter your printer's IP address. Mine is 192.168.8.211, and I have it set to print separate tickets for my cashier and kitchen staff. If you're sharing, you can turn that off, but I'm going to leave it on. And then you hit test print. Now we're ready to take our very first drive-thru order with AI. Go ahead and navigate to the drive-thru tab and then close the sidebar. Ready.
Welcome to Raising Cane's. What can I start it for you?
Can I get a box combo, no slaw double toast with a Diet Coke, please?
I've got you down for one box combo, no slaw, double Texas toast, and a Diet Coke. Would you like to make your drink a large or add anything else to your order?
Can you get me an additional lemonade, please?
I've added a regular lemonade to your order. So far you have one box combo with no slaw, double Texas toast, and a Diet Coke. One regular lemonade. Would you like anything else?
Looks perfect.
Great. Can I get a name for your order, please?
Jimmy.
Thanks, Jimmy. Your total is $14.18. Please pull forward to the next window and have your payment ready.
You're supposed to put this receipt printer between your cashier and your line cooks. Your bottom ticket was for your cashier, and the top ticket is for your kitchen, so they can take it, prepare the food. Cashier can charge them for the food. Eventually, they can match the ticket with the food bag, hand it over to the customer. We can also set up 2 receipt printers if your line cooks are a little bit away from your cashier. It's that easy to set up your own AI drive-thru with Lanefix. Use the link on screen if you haven't already. Get your own AI drive-thru, and I'm looking forward to talking to you soon. Thanks. I'm Jim, founder of Lanefix.